Hello my dear students, good morning to all. Today we will study true and false. Fill in the blank. This I think that multiple choice question over. Now be true or false. If statement is true then we have to write true, otherwise what? False. So here given 5000 meter equal to 5 kilometer. We know that, you know that chart, King Henry died while drinking chocolate milk, means kilo, standard unit of here kilometer, and here meter given and here kilometer. So that sentence, King Henry died while drinking chocolate milk. So kilometer, first one, after that hectometer, after that decameter, after decameter, meter, after meter, decimeter, after that centimeter, and lastly millimeter. Okay. So this kilometer is the higher plate, kilometer, hectometer, after that decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and meter. So we have to convert this 5000 meter equal to 5 kilometer is getting, then we can write that true, otherwise false. So what is that? 1 kilometer, where is that kilometer? Here. Kilometer and what? Meter. 1 kilometer equal to how much meter? How many times jump? 1, 2, 3. So we have to do here multiplication by 10. Here also 10. Here also 10. So 10 into 10 into 10. 10 into 10, 100. And 100 into 10, 1000. So we know that 1 kilometer equal to how much meter? 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 3 times jumps. That's what. Therefore 5 kilometer equal to 5 into what we have to do? 1000. 5 into 1000. 5 into 1000 means what? 5000 meter. So 5 into 1000 equal to 5 into 1000 means 5 ones are 5, 3 zeros. 5000 meter. That means 5 kilometer equal to what we are getting? 5 kilometer equal to 5000 meter. But here given 5000 meter equal to 5 kilometer. Okay. 5000 meter means what we are getting here? 5 kilometer only. So this statement is what? 1000 kilometer equal to 1 kilometer. 2000 kilometer equal to 2 kilometer. In the same way 5000 kilometer equal to what? 5 kilometers. So statement is what? True. So we have to write there true. Understood? We have done here. I have done here. Okay. This is kilometer. 5 kilometer. Okay. Now second, a decimeter is smaller than a millimeter. Look at where is that decimeter? Here, and millimeter here. So decimeter will be smaller or greater. This is the smaller unit. Among these, all these, millimeter is the smaller unit. But here given a decimeter is smaller than a millimeter. Decimeter is greater than a millimeter. We are getting sentence is written a decimeter is smaller than a millimeter. So this is what? This statement is what? False. डेसीमीटर मिलीमीटर से बड़ा आता है, लेकिन यहाँ क्वेश्चन में दिया है डेसीमीटर इज स्मॉलर देन ए मिलीमीटर. दैट्स व्हाई दैट दिस स्टेटमेंट इज व्हाट? फॉल्स. सो नोट डाउन दिस फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड. नाउ थर्ड एग्जांपल लुक दैट इफ 14 किलोमीटर 789 मीटर राउंडेड टू नियरेस्ट, इट इज गिवन राउंडेड टू नियरेस्ट kilometer, comma is equal to 14 kilometer. If we are getting after solving that one 14 kilometer, then it is true, otherwise false. But rounded to the nearest kilometer. Now here given 14 kilometer 789 meter. Now look that 1 kilometer equal to how much meter? Kilometer 1000. This number getting 789 meter. So this 14 kilometer as it is we have to write. Now check that this number whether 789 meter is getting nearest to 1000. If getting nearest to 1000, then we have to take the 1. Okay, plus 1. Getting now this number is more than 500, 789. So that's why this 789 meter is getting nearest to 1000. So we have to write here 1 kilometer. Okay. Now look that 14 plus 1 how much? 14 kilometer plus 1 kilometer equal to 15 kilometer. But here given 14 kilometer 789 meter rounded to kilometer is equal to 14 kilometer. But answer we are getting here 15 kilometer. So this statement is what? False. Understood? Right here false. Now fourth example, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Getting that one 1 kilometer, look at kilometer here and millimeter where? Here. How many times jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 kilometer equal to 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. How many? 1 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, what we are getting here? 1 times 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh we are getting here answer. 1 and 60. But here given, what it is given here? We are gone. Here, 1000. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 millimeter, not getting. It is far away, millimeter and kilometer. Kilometer here first, millimeter there. So 1 kilometer equal to how much? 10. 1 times 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh we are getting. We are not getting there 1000 millimeter. So this statement is also what? False. 1 kilometer equal to 10 lakh. Understood? So third and this one is fourth. Fifth, true and false example. Fifth one, to add or subtract two length, maybe meter and centimeter or kilometer and meter, we must first represent them in same unit. We should need their same unit. If one number is given meter and centimeter, second number also we need meter and centimeter. Okay. To add or subtract two length, we must first represent them in same unit. So this statement is what? True. This is true. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. Third, C. To convert millimeter to centimeter. Where that chart? Where is that chart? Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and what? Millimeter. Now look at to convert millimeter to centimeter. Where is that millimeter? Here. Here. And centimeter here. To convert millimeter to centimeter, what we have to do? We have to do division by 10. Higher to lower, we have to multiply, and lower to higher, what we have to do? We have to do division. To convert millimeter to centimeter, we divide. We divide by which number? How many times jump? Only one jump. So that's why divide by 10. Understood? Dash meters make 5 kilometer. We know that 1 kilometer equal to how much? 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay. Then 5 kilometer equal to short form of kilometer. AM. 5 kilometer equal to 5000 meter. That means 5000 meter makes 5 kilometer. Okay. 5000 meter makes 5 kilometer. Because 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer. 2000 makes 2 kilometer. 3000 meter makes 3 kilometer. 4000 meter makes 4 kilometer. Then 5000 meter makes 5 kilometer. Understood this one? So note down this one. Third example, look at, fill in the blanks. Dash millimeters make 1 meter. What is the short form of millimeter? Mm makes 1 meter. That means 1 meter equal to 1 meter equal to dash millimeter. Millimeter short form Now look that chart. Where is that meter? Here. In between that this letter. And 1 meter equal to dash millimeter. Now meter to millimeter we have to go. Means here multiply by 10. Here also multiplying by 10. Here also. How many times jump? 3 times. 10 into 10, 100. And 100 into 10, 1000. So 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. Means dash millimeter make 1 meter. 1000 millimeter makes what? 1 meter. Here we have to write 1000. 1000 millimeters make what? 1 meter. Understood? Now fourth, to convert bigger unit of length to smaller unit of length, we dash. Option were given divide or multiply. Now look at, to convert, this is the bigger unit, kilometer, hectometer. To convert bigger unit to smaller unit, what we have to do? We have to multiply or divide. Here to here, if we want to convert this kilometer to meter, then what we have to do? Multiplication. 10 into 10 is like that. Okay. यानी किलोमीटर हायर यूनिट से लोअर यूनिट में जाने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? मल्टीप्लाई. टू कन्वर्ट बिगर यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ टू स्मॉलर यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ वी मल्टीप्लाई. सो हियर वी हैव टू राइट मल्टीप्लाई. MULTIPLY. Understood? And to convert lower unit to higher unit we have to divide. लेकिन यहाँ पर दिया है to convert bigger unit of length to smaller unit of length. That's why we have to do multiply. So note down this one. So fifth example, look at what it is given. 6 kilometer 37 meter can be written using decimal as dash kilometer. We want answer in kilometer. Here given 6 kilometer. Short form of kilometer is km and meter 37 meter already it is given. We have to convert this meter into at first what? Kilometer. So we know that this 37 meter we have to convert into, no need to convert this 6 kilometer because already we want answer in kilometer. So what we have to convert here? 37 meter. So we know that 1 meter equal to 1 kilometer equal to how much meter? 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Then 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000. 1 by what? 1000 kilometer. 1 meter. That means therefore 37 meter equal to 37 by what? 1000. 37 by 1000. Now it is in fraction. Now we have to convert into decimal. Now write this 37 as it is. How many zero here? Down 3. So put that 30 on the left side of this 2-digit number. Left side. 1, 2, 3. Understood? Why? Because here 30. That's why. Now in denominator 1000 is there and in 1000 3 zeros are there. So that's why from the right side leave 3 number. 1, 2, 3 0 is there. 3 zeros are there. So that's why leave 3 number. 1, 2, 3 and put here dot. Before dot 2 zeros are there. No need to put 2 0, cut 1 0. So 0.037 we can say that one kilometer. 0.037 kilometer. 37 meter means. So now we have to write this one here. That number we have to add here. 6 kilometer plus 37 meter means what? 37 meter means 0.037 kilometer. 0.037 kilometer. Understood? Now here this number is given in decimal. This number is not in decimal. So after point here 3 numbers are there. So make it like this. Both numbers are unlike. So make it like. How to make like? 6. After 6 we can put how many 0 we need? We can put that one. Here 3 numbers are there. So that's why we can put here 30. 6.000 meaning of this one is 6 only. Because after point 0 has no value. But we are making now like this 2 number. So 6.000 kilometer plus 0.037 kilometer. After point 3 number here. Here also after point 3 number. Now this 2 number we have to do addition. 6.000 kilometer plus 0.037 kilometer. So now do addition. 0 plus 7 how much? 7. 0 plus 3, 3. 0 plus 0, 0. Okay. Now point 6 plus 0, 6. That means 6.037 kilometer. Final answer we are getting here. 6.037 kilometer after solving all this thing. So understood this one? So 6 kilometer 37 meter means 6.037 kilometer. We get answer in kilometer also. Can be written using decimal answer. And in decimal also we got. Decimal means in point. 6.037. Understood this example? 6.037. Decimal मतलब point में. So note down this rough also everything. D question, convert unit of length. Here given convert units of what? Length. Dash meter, dash centimeter equal to 14,274 centimeter given here. 14,274 what it is given? Centimeter. Now we want answer in meter and what? Centimeter. So we know that 1 meter equal to how much? 1 meter equal to dash centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100. 1 meter equal to dash centimeter means how much centimeter? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. We know that. 2 meter equal to 200 like that. Okay. So in 100 how many zeros are present? 2 zeros. So that's why from the right side leave 2 number and draw a line. Write this number as it is. 14,274. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. In 100 2 zeros are there. So that's why leave 2 number from the right side and draw a line. So before line your meter will be there and after line which number? Whatever may be the number that will be your centimeter. So 142 meter. Here we have to write 142 what? Meter. This one I am writing here. Now before line what is that? Meter and after line centimeter. So 142 meter and 74 what? Centimeter. Understood? So 142 meter. So right here, no need of directly also after two line, after two from the right side leave two number and draw line. Before line 142 meter and 74 what? Centimeter. Understood? So note down this first. Now second one, 41,742 centimeter equal to dash meter and dash centimeter. Same thing, like first we have done like that only. Write this number 41,742. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. In 100 two zeros are there. So that's why leave two number from the right side and draw their line. Before line, this is meter, and after line, this one is what? Centimeter. So 470 meter, 42 centimeter. Understood? So here dash meter, dash centimeter. 470 meter and 42 centimeter. So everywhere, wherever rough is there, we have to do rough. Okay. So note of this second example also. Now next third, dash kilometer dash meter equal to 13,674 meter. So 1 kilometer equal to how much meter? 1 kilometer, we know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, and in 1000 how many zeros are there? 3 0. So write this number 13,674. So from the right side leave 3 number. Why? Because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. That's why 1 2 3 and draw their line. Before line kilometer and after line what is that? Meter. That means 13 kilometer 674 what? Meter. So dash kilometer means what we have to write here? 13 kilometer and dash meter. How much meter we are getting? 674. So understood? So note down this one. Fourth example looked at 38,638 meter equal to dash kilometer 638 meter given. So write this number 38,638 meters. 38,638 meter. Same thing. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Write this number 38,638 as it is. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So in 1000 3 zeros are there. So that's why leave 3 number from the right side and draw line. Before line kilometer and after that what is that? Meter. In 38 kilometer 638 what? Meter. So dash kilometer. How much we are getting? 38 kilometer and meter 638. Already written here. So dash kilometer means 38 what? Kilometer. So note down this fourth one. Fifth example, 32,741 meter equal to dash kilometer and dash meter. Same thing. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So that's why leave 3 number from the right side. Draw line. Before line kilometer and after line what is that? Meter. So 32 kilometer and 741 what? Meter. 32,741 meter equal to dash kilometer. Means what we are getting here? 32 kilometer and 741 meter. Understood? So note down this fifth one also. Now sixth one look at 54,219 meter equal to dash kilometer dash meter. Same thing. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay, in 1000 3 zeros are there. So from the right side leave 3 number 1 2 3. Draw here what? Line. Before line what is that? Kilometer, and after line it is meter. So 54 kilometer 219 what? Meter. 54,219 meter equal to dash kilometer. Means what we are getting here? 54 kilometer and dash meter 290 meter. Understood? So note down the sixth example. Now last question looked at value based question. What it is given? The distance between the school and house of a student is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day he cycles to and fro, and reaches the school on time. A question: find the distance covered covered by him in a week which had 5 working days and he attended school on all days. Second question, it is asked here, what value of the student is depicted here? So what it is given? The distance between the school and house of a student. And a school, the distance between which? School and house. घर से लेकर स्कूल तक का या फिर स्कूल से लेके घर तक का डिस्टेंस कितना दिया है 1 किलोमीटर 875 मीटर, यानी वो स्कूल में जा रहा है बच्चा, उसका डिस्टेंस घर से कहाँ तक स्कूल का इतना डिस्टेंस दिया है। एवरी डे ही साइकिल्स टू एंड प्रो, टू एंड प्रो मतलब क्या, आना और जाना। किससे जा रहा हो, कौन सा व्हीकल है उसके पास, एवरी डे ही साइकिल, साइकिल से आना जाना कर रहा है। स्कूल में जाना और क्या, स्कूल से घर वापस आना। एवरी डे ही साइकिल्स टू एंड प्रो एंड रीचेज द स्कूल ऑन टाइम, और स्कूल में अपने टाइम पर भी पहुंचता था, यानी हमें स्कूल में टाइम पर पहुंचना है, थोड़ा भी लेट होने से, ज्यादा लेट होने से वापस आना पड़ता है, उसमें गेट बंद हो जाता है, ठीक है। तो इसलिए स्कूल में टाइम पर हम पहुंचते हैं, पहले 5-10 मिनट पहले हम निकलते हैं, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पर पूछा है, यानी घर से लेके स्कूल तक का डिस्टेंस कितना हुआ 1 किलोमीटर 875, फिर वापस आएगा उतना ही डिस्टेंस स्कूल से घर, फिर वो ये दोनों को क्या करना पड़ेगा, आना और टू एंड फ्रो। टू एंड फ्रो का मतलब जाना और आना वापस, ठीक है। फिर फाइंड द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय हिम इन ए वीक, एक हफ्ते का हमें फाइंड करना है, लेकिन विच हैड 5 वर्किंग डेज, कितने वर्किंग डेज दिया है यहाँ 5, यानी टोटल 7 डेज रहते हैं, तो हमें सैटरडे संडे की छुट्टी मिलती है, वैसे 6 रहते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर दिया है विच हैड 5 वर्किंग डे, सिर्फ 5 वर्किंग डे का हमें डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है। एंड ही अटेंडेड स्कूल ऑन ऑल डे, 5 में से 5 दिन हो जाता था स्कूल में, तो 5 दिन का हमें वो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है 5 डेज में, वो फाइंड करना है। एट फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय द स्टूडेंट्स इन 1 डे, एवरी डे मतलब एक दिन का डिस्टेंस फाइंड करेंगे, फिर जो भी आएगा उसको हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, हम यहाँ पर कितने वर्किंग डेज है, यहाँ पर 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आप, ठीक है। फिर आना और जाने, हर दिन स्कूल जाना, वो क्या बताता है, रेगुलरिटी, पंक्चुअलिटी, व्हाट वैल्यू ऑफ द स्टूडेंट इज डिपिक्ट हियर, पंक्चुअलिटी, यानी सिंसियरली वो जाना आना करता था बच्चा, ठीक है। एट फर्स्ट यू नोट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन। हाँ, नाउ इन 1 डे डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय स्टूडेंट्स टू एंड फ्रो, यानी आना और जाना था उसका, तो क्या है, कितना था एक दिन का, जाने का कितना दिया है यहाँ, स्कूल से घर तक का डिस्टेंस 1 किलोमीटर 875, ये जाना, उतना ही डिस्टेंस वापस आना, तो ये दोनों का क्या करना पड़ेगा हमें, दिस 2 नंबर वी हैव टू डू प्लस दिस 2 नंबर, वी विल डू हियर एडिशन ऑफ दिस 2 नंबर। सो विच 2 यूनिट, किलोमीटर एंड मीटर, मेक 2 कॉलम, किलोमीटर एंड व्हाट, मीटर। नाउ व्हाट इट इज गिवन, 1 किलोमीटर 875 मीटर, या फिर इंटू 2 भी कर सकते हैं आप यहाँ पर, और सेकंड ये जाने का हुआ उतना ही घर से स्कूल तक, फिर स्कूल से घर आने तक इतना ही डिस्टेंस 1 किलोमीटर 875। सो नाउ डू एडिशन, 5 + 5 10 कैरी 1, 7 + 7 14, 14 + 1 15 कैरी 1, 8 + 8 16, 16 + 1 17 कैरी 1, 1 + 1 2, 2 + 1 3, यानी 3 किलोमीटर 750 मीटर, इतना डिस्टेंस एक दिन में कवर कर रहा है स्टूडेंट्स, 3 किलोमीटर 750 व्हाट मीटर। हमें कितने दिन का डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है, डिस्टेंस 5 डेज, 5 वर्किंग डेज थे, सो इन 5 डेज डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय स्टूडेंट्स, इन 5 डेज डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय द स्टूडेंट्स इन 5 डेज वी हैव टू फाइंड, अदरवाइज डिस्टेंस कवर्ड by the students in how many days, 5 days we have to find here. So what we have to do, distance covered by the students in 5 days, ये 2 नंबर का क्या करना होगा हमें, प्लस मल्टीप्लीकेशन, therefore distance covered by the students in 5 days equal to 3 किलोमीटर, 1 डे का है 3 किलोमीटर 750 मीटर, तो 5 डेज का कितना होगा, तो क्या करना होगा यहाँ पर, इसको ये नंबर को हमें 5 से मल्टीप्लीकेशन, समझ में आया। नाउ वी हैव टू डू मल्टीप्लीकेशन of this 2 number, we will do here, make 2 column again, kilometer and what, meter, kilometer and meter, below kilometer we have to write what, 3, and below meter 750 multiplied by what? 5. Now 5 zeros are 0. 5 5s are how much? 25. 25 ka 5 carry 2. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2 37. Okay. 35 plus 2 37. Carry 3. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 18. So that means 18 किलोमीटर. क्या आएगा इसका आंसर? 18 किलोमीटर 750 मीटर. 18 kilometer 750 what? Meter. Hence the distance covered by the students in 5 days equal to this much. Hence distance covered by the student, distance covered by the student in 5 days is how much? 18 kilometer 750 what? Meter. Understood this one? A, and this one B. What it is asked? What value? B, what it is given in question number B? What value of the students is depicted here? Depict means show. क्या वैल्यू शो करता है? स्कूल में जाना, टाइम पर आना, ये क्या कहते हैं? पंक्चुअलिटी. व्हाट इज दैट? पंक्चुअलिटी. PUN punctuality. PUNCTUALITY. So understood? So in this way we have completed this first lesson. Our lesson name was, what is that? Length. Okay. So in next period we will study new lesson. So note down this one.